Believe, let music burn. Oppo never give up. Music and triumphs. Well, I really don't care about this as long as the sound is good, man. Okay, so I got the BLON BL03. This is the white steel version. There's also this light gun version, which is basically light brown. The box is pretty minimalistic. Let me open it up. There's a plastic cover thingy. The earbuds themselves. They have a nice weight to them. In the box there's this other box. There's ear tips. Pouch, user manual, and some more ear tips.
Wire.
These are pretty basic 2-pin connector wires, and this is the mic version. So the mic connector wires. There's a right angle 3.5mm jack. There's a BLON logo on it. The pouch that I'll never probably use. So I have a headphone case thingy. So there's 4 extra pairs of ear tips. There's R written on the earpiece. It has a light weight to it. The ear tips come off pretty easily. Super shiny. Okay, that's a pretty tight fit. I don't think it will come off pretty easily. So it's been about a month since I've been using these, and here's my thoughts. I thought these ridges here would hurt my ears, but I can tell that they're there when I'm wearing them. The default ear tips that were already attached didn't suit me at all, so I changed the ear tips and using some of the other ones, and they fit me properly. The noise isolation is pretty nice. You'll get to hear some really good sounds if you can get a proper fit. Also, I've been using them for a month and there's almost no scratches on the metal shells yet, so that's nice. The sound is pretty decent and you can hear really small details, and the sound doesn't get congested when there's too many instruments and things going on. The vocals sound really clean and the vocal separation is really noticeable. The bass is hard, but it's not too much and doesn't slap you in the face. It's pretty balanced. It doesn't sound boxy. The highs are pretty smooth and crisp. The mids are decent. These can get like really loud without making the sound garbage, which I pretty like. It doesn't get muffled at all. These sound good with phones, but you'll get even better sounds using them with a PC. Also listen to FLAC files or FLAC, whatever you call them. I don't know. There's like a very specific sound stage with these if you're playing like FPS games and stuff. Like it can get really sharp in your ears. So if you're gonna play games with this, I'd suggest changing the bass setting in equalization, and they'll be pretty good gaming headphones, I guess. So overall, for a $20 headphone, around $20, these are really amazing, and hopefully you guys will find this video useful. And if you got these recently, hit me up and let me know what are your thoughts on these. Also shout out to Satman_Synapse on Instagram for recommending me these. Thanks dude, these are really nice. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Thanks for watching, see you guys next time.